rose, I love you with an aching heart. What is your future? Now we have to part. Rose, rose, I love you with an aching heart. What is your future? Now we have to part. Standing on the jetty as the steamer moves away. Flower of Malaya, I cannot stay. Make way, oh make way for my eastern rose. Men crowd in dozens everywhere she goes. In her rickshaw on the street or in a cabaret. Please make way for Rose, you can hear them say. All my life I shall remember Oriental music and you in my arms. Perfume flowers in your tresses, lotus-scented breezes and swaying palms. Rose, rose, I love you with your almond eyes, fragrant and slender neath tropical skies. I must cross the seas again and never see you more. Way back to my home on a distant shore.
All my life I shall remember Oriental music and you in my arms. Perfume flowers in your tresses, lotus-scented breezes and swaying palms.
Rose, rose, I leave you, my ship is in the bay. Kiss me farewell now, there's nothing to say. East is east and west is west, our worlds are far apart. I must leave you now, but I leave my heart. Rose, rose, I love you with an aching heart. What is your future? Now we have to part. Standing on the jetty as the steamer moves away. Flower of Malaya, I cannot stay.
I cannot stay.
This dance is called Rose, Rose, I Love You. It's the 32 counts, 4-4, high beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Cross. Jazz box, finishing with step forward. Cross, back, side, forward. Step lock, forward lock steps. Step forward, left, lock step, right behind. Step, lock, step. Section 2, right foot, forward rock, recover. Shuffle half turn right on right, left, right, facing 6. Left foot, forward rock, recover. Coaster step, back together, forward. Section 3, right, side rock, recover. Cross shuffle, cross, side, cross. Rolling vine, full turn right, point. Quarter right back on left. Half right, forward right foot. Quarter right, stepping left to left. Point right to right. Section 4, make a quarter right turn. Step forward right, facing 9, point left to left. Forward left, point right to right. Right foot cross, back on left, sway hips right, left. And begin the dance again. Let's do the steps with counts. Cross step right, 1. Jazz box finishing with step forward. right point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, quarter right, step forward point. 1, 2, step point. 3, 4. Cross back. 5, 6, sway right, left. 7, 8. Let's just do the counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a two-can tag, just to sway right, left. This two-can tag happens 4 times in this dance. I'm facing 12 now. First tag happens at the end of wall 1, facing the 9 o'clock wall. Sway right, left, 1, 2. And the tag happens again at the end of wall 3, facing the 3 o'clock wall. Sway right, left. Again, at the end of wall 5, facing the 9 o'clock wall, do the two-can tags again. 1, 2. Then begin the dance here for wall 6. End of wall 6, I'll be facing the 6 o'clock wall to do the last tag.